Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought that I would do something quick and easy and simple. And so as you all know, I did cut my hair short. And you know, when you have short hair, it's sometimes difficult to do like different hairstyles in your hair, and you just like get tired of this just leaving it loose all the time. Or so I'm going to show you a couple of hairstyles that I do for my short hair that, you know, when I want to look a little cute and I just want something different, not the same thing, my hair down straight. So as you guys see, you know, I did cut it pretty short but it'll grow back. And and I'm also wearing my glasses. I had to give my contacts a break, like literally. So yeah, if you guys want to see the hairstyles that I'm gonna do for my hair, for short hair, then keep on watching. Let's just jump right into the video. Okay guys, so these are the few hairstyles that I do when I have short hair. I hope that you guys enjoy them. This one was just, you know, just putting a little bit of volume, but not actually getting a curler out and putting more heat into your hair. This is simply just got the iron, put a little bit of volume in it, twist and turn, and just made it more flowy. Just pin the little pin here. You're good to go. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick and easy video on how to hairstyles that you can do for short hair. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I enjoyed filming it for you guys. And in the comment down below, don't forget to put give me no ideas of videos that you guys would like to see, more hairstyles, more whatever you guys like. So yeah guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I will really enjoy it for you to join my channel, my family, my squad, whatever you want to call it. So yeah guys, hope that you follow me on my socials, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, all that good stuff. And like I always say, may God bless you.